Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and view the list of people you have blocked on Snapchat. This can be useful if you want to manage your blocked contacts, so let's get started. To find your blocked contacts on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, click on your profile picture icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile. Now, tap the gray gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the settings icon, and it's where you can access various Snapchat settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find blocked. This is where you can view the list of the people you have blocked on Snapchat. In the app blocked user section, you will see the list of people who are currently blocked on your Snapchat account. These are the contacts you have previously blocked. If you decide to unblock someone from this list, simply tap the cross sign beside the person's name. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm if you want to unblock this person. To proceed, tap yes. And that's it. You've successfully viewed the list of blocked users on Snapchat. And there you have it. You know now how to find and view the list of people you've blocked on Snapchat. It's a handy feature for managing your contacts and privacy settings. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.